Hello everyone, we are from Amscar Group and today we will discuss about the basic 2D animation using AutoCAD. Our topic is the 4-bar chain mechanism. So, as you know, what is 4-bar chain mechanism? In 4-bar chain mechanism, we have 4 links in which any one link is fixed and other 3 links are moving. As we know that in piston crank mechanism, the piston is the piston reciprocates on its axis and the crank rotates on its center point or its base point. In this figure, we can see that our piston is reciprocates in horizontal axis. This one is our crank, the blue one is our connector, and the gray link is actually fixed. So let us see in AutoCAD about 2D basic animation. Open AutoCAD. First of all, we have to draw 4 links. So I'll take a line, draw it horizontally about 150, enter. Okay, it's a first link which is actually fixed as we saw. After that, we'll draw a second line which is a second link is at 120, right, about 300. Then draw third link which endpoint is collinear with the first link, and draw fourth link which collinear with the first one. Take it 80, enter, escape. So it's a link 1 which is fixed, it's a link 2 which is actually a crank which rotates on its base point. It's a link 3 which is connector, and link 4 which is piston. So to join every part and give it a perfect motion, we have to go in parametric view. Here we're given some constraint, and I would like to give constraint to each point. First of all, I would like to give coincident constraint to a links to join it by a point. Take a coincident constraint, select second line, third line, say it's a coincident angle. Coincident constraint. Same constraint we have to give at our fourth and the third link. Make sure that the constraint is snapping exactly where you want to put it. Here at the end point it is constraining, here at the midpoint, but we have to give it at the end point. So we will select it by its end point and then our third link. So we are given the coincident constraint at the joining point of link 3 and link 4. Now this link is fixed. This link, which is our piston, has reciprocating motion in horizontal direction. So I'll give it a horizontal constraint, take it and give it to our fourth link. Now as our link 2 means crank will rotate, the piston will reciprocate in its horizontal axis with the help of a connector. So we can say that the connector plays a role to give a reciprocating motion to the piston by the rotary motion of the crank. Now I will hide all the constraint. I'll take a rotate command and give it to a second link which is crank, and we have to give a base point on which the crank is rotating. take a base point, and then as the rotates are linked to in clockwise direction, the piston reciprocates on its horizontal axis with the help of our connector. So here we can see that the basic 2D animation using the constraint mode in AutoCAD, a 4-bar chain mechanism. So thank you everyone for watching this. If you like our video, then subscribe to our channel. We'll meet soon with another video. Thank you.